Are you gonna try using the spoon, Kenny? Hmm? Use a spoon. Use the spoon, Kenny. Like a big boy? No? What is that? Hmm? You don't want it? It's an egg. What is that? Yummy. It's yummy. No? No? Try using the spoon, Kenny. The spoon? No? Yeah, the spoon is better. See? Look, see? Oh my goodness. No. Doesn't care about the spoon yet. It's all gone? You ate it all? That was a lot of food, Kenny. You dropped some? It's yummy. Say bye. Grandma's gonna think I don't feed you, Kenny. Papi's gonna think I don't feed you. Oh well, I'm getting ignored. Food is more important than mommy. Yummy? You got something on your nose.